What's up everyone? In this video I'll be walking you guys through step by step of how you can create your Telegram account. So when you get to your Play Store or your App Store, have your Telegram account installed. After that, you gotta tap on open. After the installation, you gotta tap on open. Alright, so when you tap on open, you gotta tap on start messaging. Okay, so tap on start messaging. So when you tap on that, you gotta see a pop-up. Click on continue. So now you go to tap on allow if you see all this stuff popping up. All right, so here you have a country tab. Click on the tab for country, and then here you go to scroll down to search for your country. All right, so after you see your country, click on your country. Then you can see that your country code has been highlighted, and then now you can start to input your phone number. All right, so begin to input your phone number. All right, so after putting your phone number, you click on the arrow. Okay, then now you go to tap on yes if the number was yours. Okay, then here you go to tap on continue, but make sure you read the information and then tap on continue. Then click on allow. Then if you click on allow, it will synchronize, and then you wait for some seconds. All right, so here it says that they have sent you a code to the phone number you just input. So it will automatically pop up the code to your phone, but sometimes it doesn't. But sometimes you go to check your inbox. All right, so now you go to put in your first name. All right, it is compulsory to put your first name, but the last name is optional. Okay, the last name is optional, so you can decide to put your last name or you click on the arrow icon. So here we have finally created a Telegram account, and you can see a welcome, and then here you go to tap on continue. All right, so that's it, and then tap on allow, and I think that's the final step. All right, so guys, we are welcome to Telegram. You can start messaging by tapping the pencil icon. All right, so to learn more on Telegram, you can subscribe and then like this video, share with your friends. So if you have anything you want to know about Telegram, you can drop that in the comment section, guys. So that is it guys. So peace out.